Hello everyone, welcome back to my daily vlog activity. I forget start with basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my daily vlog activity. So tonight our in the IT class, and this is we waiting the teacher IT for coming to this class. Okay, I want to uh, share a story about a little story about tonight. But I don't know what I want to talk about in this vlog. But this vlog must upload on my YouTube, cause my vlog still 50 on YouTube. Okay. Mas vlog today mas vlog today mas 59. But my vlog still 50, guys. Okay. I must run to finish my vlog. Okay. This and tonight is rainy, guys. Rainy again. Okay, but you know, Naila by bread bread shop. Ah, Naila buy from the bread shop new open in the yeah. This is or not so bad. IFR. This is toffee. Toffee the bread. Toffee have many flavor for the bread, and I eat one this bread with flavor with cheese flavor. What is that? And I want to review bread. This bread, yeah, bread from Toffee. Guys, how's this video have 3 minutes? Bukan can. Not can. Sorry. How's this video done 3 minutes? Next, part 2. Bye.